One of my favorite things that I've been experimenting with on my zero waste journey has been making my own beauty products. Voting with your dollar is so important, and there are some amazing companies out there who are creating beautiful products that are cruelty-free and packaged in compostable wrapping or maybe something recyclable, and I love supporting them, but it can also be really fun and empowering to experiment with simple ingredients and make your own self-care products. It's easier than you think and super inexpensive. I can't live without body scrub, especially in the colder winter months. It helps remove dead skin cells, and the act of scrubbing your skin even is beneficial for your body's overall detoxification process. I'm using salts here, but sugar is going to be gentler on your skin, so keep that in mind as another option. And I'm adding fractionated coconut oil to this recipe because it doesn't harden. I love regular coconut oil to moisturize my body generally, but I don't use it in beauty recipes because I find that it clogs my shower drain. So jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, or fractionated coconut oil are all great options for this recipe. Essential oils really make this scrub come alive, and I love that I can use them easily and switch them up depending upon the scent that I want. I really love the combination of the richness of frankincense with the vibrancy and sweetness of this blend called Citrus Bliss. You can also easily switch up this recipe by adding coffee grounds either instead of sugar or salt or sort of in combination with them. I love this because I can reuse my grounds instead of just composting them, and they're actually the perfect consistency for an exfoliant. I don't usually measure when I'm adding coffee grounds, I just sort of add each ingredient until I get the consistency that I want. I make this beard oil for Nick, but I always end up using it to moisturize my ends also. It couldn't be easier to make. When I was in high school, I used to use this brand of hair oil called Moroccan oil, and I recently looked it up because I remember that it was packaged in glass, and I couldn't believe the ingredients on this, you guys. It has like 12 or 13 ingredients, and the 6th ingredient on the list is argan oil. So always make sure you're looking at the ingredients even on your hair oils, because you want to make sure you keep that list as short as possible, because artificial fragrance and things like red dye aren't going to make your hair strong. Organic cold-pressed jojoba oil and argan oil are the base of this hair oil. They're moisturizing and great for overall hair health. Cedarwood, peppermint, and rosemary essential oils all have hair growth and strengthening benefits. And today I'm using cedarwood and rosemary for this recipe. We both use this hair oil daily, and it's really cost effective for me to make on my own because I use these oils for other things too, not just for this recipe. So I'll share more in future videos, but that's just one of the reasons that I love using simple ingredients. They're super versatile and effective. There are so many studies coming out nowadays about the dangers of artificial fragrance. So I would say if you're going to make just one of these recipes, try out this natural room spray. I have some witch hazel in this container already. I have a huge container of it under my sink, which is why I had it in the measuring cup already for this video. And then all I'm doing is adding some water on top of it. After I very carefully pour it into my glass spray bottle, I'm just gonna add some essential oils on top. One of my favorite sort of combinations is melaleuca or tea tree oil, lemongrass, and a fir oil. In this recipe, I'm using Siberian fir. This room spray is incredibly effective and obviously very inexpensive to make compared to something you would buy at a regular grocery store. I love that I can spray it on my upholstery and not feel worried about breathing in synthetic fragrances or parabens. And again, I love that I have the power to switch up the ingredients when I feel like it. So those are 3 of my favorite super simple, zero, low waste DIY products for my home and self. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like it if you did like it, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.